Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to turn off those crisis and emergency alert notifications on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, when using it on your PC. This feature recently changed with the latest update, so if you've been wondering where the setting moved or how to stop those urgent alerts from popping up, stay with me, this will only take a minute. First, open the X app on your computer. If you're logged out, go ahead and sign in with your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side menu. From there, click on Notifications. This is where all your updates, mentions, and alerts come together. Next, in the top right corner of the notifications screen, you'll see the Settings option. Click on it. This will lead you to your notification customization panel. In the Settings section, open Preferences. Under Preferences, select Push Notifications. This area controls what kinds of alerts the X app is allowed to send to your device. Now, scroll down until you see a section labeled From X. Under this list, you'll find several types of notifications, including one marked as Crisis and Emergency Alerts. These are usually sent out during major news events, warnings, or urgent national updates. To turn them off, simply uncheck the box next to Crisis and Emergency Alerts. As you deselect it, X will automatically save your preference, meaning you won't receive any further emergency or crisis notifications unless you decide to turn them back on in the future. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you've customized your X notification settings to match your preferences. Whether you prefer a quieter feed or fewer interruptions, adjusting these settings gives you full control over what kind of alerts you see. Thanks for watching.